Students, last video, we talk about face value, place value, and expanded form. I hope all are understand the three concept. Okay. Now we will see the exercise 3. Okay. The first sum. Find the place value of digit 7 in number 13791. Okay. So we know how to find place value. How we find place value? We have to use like this. So 1 3 7 9 1. So it's a face value of 1 1. Okay, what's the place value? 1's place. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay, then what's the face value of 9? 9 only. But what's the place value? 10 place. So 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Okay, then it's a face value of 7 only, but place value 100. So 7 into 100, 700. Okay, then what's the face value of 3? 3 only, but place value 1000. So 3 into 1000, 3000. Like this. Last class we talked about the place how to find a place value of number. Okay, but this sum is different. We want to find any one digit place value. So no need to like this. We will see another method how to find the place value of digit. Okay, so we will create one table. Okay, so it's a one place, first one, and then 10 place, okay, 100 place, then 1000 place, then 10,000 place, then lakhs place, then 10 lakhs place, then crore, like this. Okay, we will first create a table, then when we place the number. So 1 is the 1's place, 9 is the 10 place, 7 is the 100 place, then 3 is the 1000 place, then 1 is the 10,000 place. Now there, what's the question? The place value of 7, the digit 7. So what's the place value of 7? 7 is the 100 place. So we have to multiply 7. So 7 into 100, so 700. This is the answer. So the place value of 7 in the number 13791 is the 700. 700 is the place value of 7. Okay. Okay students, let me see another example. Find the place value of digit 4 in number 24352. Okay, we already saw another sum, one sum, again one more sum. See, we have to create one chart. Now I have to place the number. Okay, so it's a 1 place, so it's a 10 place, it's a 100 place, it's a 1000 place, it's a 10,000 place. So what's the question? Find the place value of digit 4. So we want to find the place value of the digit 4. So we have to place the chart. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So what's the place value of 4? 1000 place. So 4 into 1000, 4000. This is the place value. Okay. Let us see another example. Okay. Find the place value of digit 2 in the number 823179. Okay. So first, what we have to do? We have to place the number in this table. We have to place the number in this table. Okay. So what number it come first? It's a 1's value. Okay, 1's place. So we have to put 1's place. It's a, what's the place value? 7 is the 10th place. So 10th place. So it's a 100 place. Okay. So it's a 1000 place. Then what's the another place? 10,000 place. This number, lakh place. Okay, we place the number. Now what's the question? The digit 2. So the 2 place value 10,000. So what's the place of 2? 10,000 place. So what is the value of the 2? 2 into 10,000, 20,000 is a place value of 2. Okay, so 8,23,179. So it's a 20,000. The place value of 2 is 20,000. Okay. Hello students. Now we will see the another sum. It's a important sum. So listen carefully. The question is, find the difference between. We have to find out the difference. For what? The place value and face value of a number 6. In the number 3526521. Okay. We have to find out place value of the number 6 and face value of 6. We have to find out the difference. So how to find out the difference? Okay. Let us see. I will tell you one by one. First we have to find out the place value of 6. Sorry. First we find face value. What is the face value of 6? So face value of 6 equal to 6. Okay. Face value of 6 is equal to 6 only. Okay. Then what is the place value? So it's a ones, tens, 100, 1000. The place value is 1000. So what we have to do now? We have to multiply 6 into 1000 place value. Okay. So 6 into place value 6 is 6 into 1000. So 6000. Now we want to find out the difference of place value and face value. So what we can do? We want to subtract the face value and the place value. So 6,000 minus 6. So here we have to borrow 1. Okay. So here 9, here 9. Okay. So it's a 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Okay. Here 9, 9, 5. 5,994. 5,994. Okay. So it's a answer. Okay students, let me see another sum. It's a very important sum. Listen carefully. First read the question. Find the sum of the place value of the two fives in 235257. So sum of the place value. Sum of the place value of the two fives. 2 5 means 2 5. The number 2 5 will come in that same number. Okay. So we want to find out the sum of the 2 5. I will tell you. Listen carefully. Here 1 5. Okay. First 5 is there. Then another 5. So 2 5 is there. That's why they are given 2 5s. Okay. So it's a first 5. It's a second 5. Now we want to find out the place value. After that we want to add the two place value. Okay. Let us see one by one. First we take first 5. Okay. The first 5 place value is, what's the place value? How you find the place value? First ones, tens. The place value of 5 is 10. Tens place. Okay. First 5 place value is tens. 10 place. So what is the place value of 5? So 5 into 10 is equal to 50. Okay. You find out the place value of 5 is 50. Then second 5. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, so the second 5 place value is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, so thousand place. So how you find the place value? So 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000. Okay, 5000. Now we want to find the sum. Sum means we want to total for the 2 place value. So 5000 plus 50. So 5050 is the sum of the place value of the 2 fives. Okay, sum of the place value of the 2 5. So first 5, second 5. First we have to find out the place value. Then we have to add. It's an addition. Okay, we have to add. So 5050 is the answer. So sum of the place value of the 2 fives is a 5050. Okay, friends, let me see the another sum, expanded form. Already we discussed. Again, I will tell you expanded form of the number. Okay, it's a short form of the number. We want to find out expanded form. How to find expanded form? Already we know. First we have to find the first digit of the place value. So it's a ones place now. So 8 into 1 is equal to 8. Okay, then it's a 10 place. So 0 into 10, 0. Then 100 place. Okay, so 3 into 100, 300. Then 1000 place. So 5 into 1000, 5000. So 10,000 place. 2 into 10,000, 20,000. So we find the place value of the digit. Now we want to write as a expanded form. Okay, let me take first the greatest digit, 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 8. It's a expanded form of this number. Okay, it's a short form. It's a expanded form. Okay, so 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 8. It's a expanded form. Okay. Okay, students. Let me see another type of sum. It's a short form. We saw expanded form. Now we will see short form. Okay. How to write a it's an expanded form of number. Now we want to find out the short form of this number. Okay, so it's a largest digit. Okay, largest place value. Then another this one, and this is the lowest place value. Now we will take from left to right. Okay, it's a ones place now. So we have to take this 6. Then after that 10 place. So we take 7. Then 100 place we take 1. Then 1000 place we take 2. Then 10,000 place then we take 3. It's a lakh place we take 1. So 1,32,176 is a short form. Okay, it's a short form of this expanded form. Okay, so 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 2,000 plus 100 plus 70 plus 6 is the expanded form. Now we want to find out the short form. So we take the starting initial digit only. Okay, so 6, 7. Okay, it's a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1. So now 1,32,176. Okay.